Hello. In our previous video, we had prepared this amortization schedule template. And now, the next step would be to create a template for a journal entry upload. So let's create a new tab here. We can create a very generic template here. So let's add account number column here. And we have departments, department, um, description. Debit. Nope. Debit. Debit. Very basic. So the account number is going to be some kind of expense account, right? Prepaid expense, whatever it may be. And department values are, we already have those here, I believe. So let's go ahead and do that. Description, it's also available. We can link it here. And now debits are going to be the amount for any particular month. For now, let's pull August. It's our latest month. So that would be that. And if we pull this down, should be it. So if we call this prepaid expense account, then it would be prepaids asset account. This shouldn't change whatever account you may use, and whatever your balance sheet account is here. And the total for the asset account would just be sum of all the expenses. And of course, you can break them up, add a new separate row for each item if you like. So it shows up with exact values on a balance sheet transaction list. And so this is it. Now, in this format, if you want to update this for a new month, you'd have to come here and select next month. That work? And update this. We can create a lookup here, so we don't have to do this. Next match. This would be here. This would be here. It is not the description. Okay. And this would work, but it would only work for a particular column. You have to specify. We can create a lookup so that you don't have to update this. What we can do is we can find a column for a particular month. We're working in August. Let's find a column name in this sheet where this date is located in row 3. So we can do that. There is I looked up a formula to find the column name in Excel. It looks like this. So this would be match. This is value to find. So this would be state. Let's try to enter this. And it's looking for this value in this row, and that's not the row we're looking for. We're looking for row here. So we need to change that. Instead of this, it would have to be this. And value to match would be, value to find would be this one. So this value, which is August 1st, this value is located in column R in Prepaids sheet. And here, we can replace these R's with this value here. So we have to enter it twice, actually. So if this was our formula, go ahead and enter this as indirect function. So this would be indirect. So let's enter this as an indirect. So let's enter this as an indirect function. Prepaids remains. We need to change the text here. We're not looking for R, we're looking for this formula here. Let's do this for now. So instead of R, we need to enter this. No, not that one, but this one. So it needs to be, this whole thing needs to be here. And this, right? And another one of these formulas. So would that work? Let's see if it works. Closing parentheses, so we're missing parentheses. This one is, where is this? Prepaids. Needs to be prepaids and so substitute. Where does this end? Up there. And what about this one? This one ends here, so we have to close indirect here. Okay, that works. So I change this. Okay, of course. So this needs to be H1, match H1. So this should work in here maybe. C2. All right. Gotta lock the row number 2 here, I think. It's becoming 4. So this needs to be 3. Wonder if I can lock it. Okay, that works. And now if I change this to June, we have an entry for or 64,000. What happened in June? June, 64,000. Okay, we got the right amount. And we don't need this. September is 43,653. Yep, yep. Okay, this works. And now, anytime you have a new month, you add the new invoice items here and just change the date here. And everything is good to go. You don't have to change anything here. This updates automatically and your journal upload is ready to go. So the only thing that this template requires is details for any new invoices every month. That has to be input manually. The rest, the calculation, the amortization life, monthly amounts, journal entry upload is all done immediately, automatically. So this will save time when you need to create a new entry for a new month. Okay, and this is all I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for watching.